What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I am covering how to disable message replies on a story for your Instagram profile. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically whenever you post something on Instagram, on your Instagram story, there is a little text bar at the bottom of anybody that is viewing it, and they could directly write a comment on there, and that's going to appear in your DMs, basically just a reply to your story. But what you could do is you could disable it for a variety of reasons. It doesn't matter the reason. You could just disable it, and then anybody that views your story will no longer have that option at the bottom of the screen to message you. For whatever reason you might want this enabled or disabled, you could easily just do it inside of settings. So in order to do this, you actually have to have an active story post on to access the story settings. And for any single story that you want to disable message replies on, you have to just go inside of the story and just disable it yourself. So I already have something posted here on side of my Instagram. Go follow it if you haven't already. Same as my YouTube channel, just with the YT at the end. And you see I have this repost of a post in my feed on my story. And what you're going to do is hit the little three dots at the bottom of the story when you're viewing it there. And it's going to come up with this menu screen here. And all the way at the bottom there is an option for story settings. You're going to go ahead and head into there. And then once you are in story settings, sort of towards the middle of the screen there is a headline titled replying. And there's three different options there. One is for everyone, so anybody that sees your story can reply. The second one is for only people that you follow. You may want that if you just want a slight compromise. If you're getting a lot of hate DMs or spam DMs, you could do that. Other than that, though, there is one all the way at the bottom titled off, and that is going to completely disable any message replies on your story, so nobody will be able to reply to your story, and that text box will be completely non-existent for anybody that's viewing it. From there, you can just hit done and back out, and it saves automatically. And overall, I think this is pretty simple to do. But if you did have any questions or were confused, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible to help you out. Other than that, if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.